UFC 214 is coming up next week. Obviously, look at that lineup, folks. It is just ridiculous. 3 title fights at the top of it. And oh yeah, Robbie Lawler versus Donald Cerrone and Jimmy Manuwa versus Volkan Ozdemir in the main card. And T-Wood, give us a little hype. Come on, man. You got a title fight next week.
You have to be there. And I'm going to get my work done quickly so I can go and watch the fight because it's a phenomenal matchup. I want to see a trilogy in this. Because if you think about it, if John Jones come out with the victory, we don't get to see this rivalry continue. So I'm excited to watch and see what happens.
Yeah, and Karyn, you touched on Cowboy and Robbie. I mean, we got teased with this fight a little bit earlier in the year when they said it was happening. They took it away from us, and now we got it back. I cannot wait for that matchup.
Yeah, I cannot wait for that. And obviously, we're excited to see what happens with DC and John Jones. But I agree with you, T. I wouldn't mind a trilogy there either.